Australians, oh, let us rejoice. Oh, we fly again free. Let us rejoice. We've grown in Zion and we're floating.
Hey, the old adage, the show must go on, and what a lot of courage from the youngster. I mean, he could have completely fallen apart and